Good morning, all of you. This is Gauri Chandwani, your AVS teacher. Dear students, we have started or begun chapter number 8, Searching for Food. In this chapter, we have discussed about how animals search their food using different sense organs. Like in humans, there are 5 sense organs which perform specific functions. In animals also, sense organs perform different specific functions. Also, different sense organs helps different animal to gather for food. Like when we say sense of smell in ants, in python, in vipers, dogs, also vultures and bears, sharks. In these animals, their sense of smell is very strong, so they can gather their food, or their sense of smell helps them in gathering food. Then we have discussed about sense of vision. Sense of vision, or about the eyesight, how in dark or anywhere the sense of vision helps the animal to gather the food. We have discussed about eagles, hawks, insects, owls, and next we have seen sense of hearing. Sense of hearing, echolocation in bats, which is the result of sense of hearing. Even I have shared extra YouTube video to clear the concept of sense of hearing or echolocation in the bats. Then we have also seen about the whales and dolphins, how their senses or sense of hearing act in gathering of the food. Today in this virtual lesson, we are going to begin animals also sleep. So let's start animals also sleep. As we know, sleeping is the important factor related to our life, as we need food, water, these basic requirements for the healthy life. There is one more thing that also needs or require for the healthy life, and that is a proper sleep. Why we need sleep? हम लोग क्यों सोते हैं? नींद ज़रूरी क्यों है? Suppose imagine the condition if where you get a good amount of food, good amount of water, all kinds of facilities, but you are not allowed it to sleep for the whole day or more than 2-3 days. Will your body supports you? Will you be able to work properly, actively, appropriately? No. You may fall ill if you will not take the proper rest in the form of a sleep. So, human body needs proper sleeping for activeness, for healthy body. So, in the same way, animals also needs the sleep. Animals also sleep. They also need the rest. They also sleep. When they sleep, their body becomes inactive. Like when we sleep, our body becomes inactive. We are not able to do any kind of the work when we are sleeping. In the same way, when animals sleep, their body becomes inactive. So, all the animals sleep in order to get the rest. Like for the human being, as we know, for the smaller newborn babies, more than 10 to 12 hours sleep is required for the healthy body, for the proper growth. For adults, almost 6 hours of sleep is needed. For the children like you or the growing children, at least 8 hours of sleep is needed. In the same way, for animals also, there is a different sleeping duration. Here you could see there is the different duration of time of sleep in different animals. So why they sleep? They sleep to get the rest. They sleep to get the collect the energy for the body, to digest the food from their body. So these are the reasons. So different animals sleep for different duration of time. Some animals sleep for a short period of time while others sleep for a long period of time. The duration of sleep depends on the following factors. Now, when the animals sleep, some animals sleep for a short time, 2-3 hours or maybe 2 hours in a whole day of 24 hours, out of 24 hours. But some animals sleep more than 15 hours too. So here we could see the difference in the sleeping time. So there are different factors or different things for which the animals sleep. The very first is amount of food. Amount of food. So in this factor, amount of food, here we could see bigger animals eat large amount of food. As the size of the animal is big, they eat more amount of the food. They spend most of their time in the eating. Then they need more time in the digestion. But during all these processes, their sleeping time is less. For example, the African elephant sleep for 3 hours a day. Out of 24 hours, how many hours he is sleeping? It is sleeping 3 hours a day. Horses never lie on a ground for sleeping. They sleep in the standing position only, and horses sleep less than 3 hours. Horses sleep less than 3 hours. And along with that, one more example you can see here. Cows sleep for 4 hours a day. Out of 24 hours, cows sleep for 4 hours. How many hours you take the rest? So I think it would be 8 hours. कम से कम 8 घंटे आपको सोना है. अगर आप इससे कम सोते हो तो आप अपनी आदत सुधार लें. Change your habits to remain healthy. If you are sleeping less than 8 hours, please increase your time of sleeping. But if you are sleeping more than 8 hours, make it up to the 8 hours. That is the standard time duration for your age. Next is to conserve energy. What is the meaning of conserve? To conserve means to store. To conserve means to gather. To gather the energy. Animals sleep, or they sleep for gathering the energy. Some very big size animals needs more time span of sleeping to conserve their energy. अपनी एनर्जी को बचा के रखने के लिए बहुत से बिग साइज एनिमल्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक सोते हैं. Like here I wanted to, it is not given in the book, I wanted to tell you the example of a polar bear. Polar bear undergo hibernation. Hibernation means a long sleep during the winter months. Winter months जब आते हैं तो polar bears take the rest around 6 months. For 6 months around they sleep and they conserve their energy. To conserve means to protect. जब विंटर सीज़न आता है तो अपनी एनर्जी को बचाने के लिए या जब फूड बहुत कम अवेलेबल होता है, सो टू रिमेन अलाइव, पोलार बेयर स्लिप्स फॉर अराउंड 6 months. So this is the sleeping time of the polar bear for that time, and that is called as hibernation, or also hibernation we can call. Now let's see about the point to conserve energy. Some big animals need to conserve energy, so they sleep for many hours. Pythons, for example, sleep for about 15 hours a day if they are hungry, or as many as 20 hours a day after feeding. Here is the one example given of a python. Python, when it is hungry, it sleeps for around 15 hours so that it cannot waste its energy. And when it feeds upon something, animal or something, when it is full, then to digest that food material, it takes the rest of around 20 hours a day. This is the example of a python. Then if we see tigers, tigers sleep 16 hours a day. 16 hours. How many hours for the how many hours tigers sleep? 16 hours. 16 hours a day. And bats sleep around 20 hours a day. So these, if you see, if you observe, there is a vast difference in the time duration of a sleep of different animals. Depending upon the size, depending upon the different factors, animals sleep for different timings. So these are the two factors or two things for which the animals needs the rest. That is, first, amount of food, and another, to conserve energy.